In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make in-cell stacked bar charts in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get your worksheet ready. What we're creating today is a visual way to show progress directly inside cells, so it's especially useful for dashboards, task tracking, or any report where you want your data to be easy to scan at a glance. It's important to know that Excel doesn't have a true built-in stacked data bar feature inside a single cell. However, you can still create a very similar effect by using conditional formatting and, in some cases, helper columns. So while this isn't a one-click native chart type, it's still simple and effective once you know the approach. To follow along, use a small sample table with 3 columns: task, completed, and remaining. For example, task A could have 70 completed and 30 remaining. Task B could have 45 completed and 55 remaining. And task C could have 90 completed and 10 remaining. This kind of data works well because the 2 value columns together visually represent a total. The first method is to use data bars through conditional formatting. Start by selecting the values in the completed column. Then go to the Home tab, choose Conditional Formatting, and click Data Bars. Pick a bar style you like. After that, repeat the same process for the remaining column, but choose a different bar style so the 2 categories are visually distinct. This gives you a side-by-side visual comparison across separate cells, which is a quick and clean option if you want a simple progress display without building a custom formula. The second method is useful if you want the stacked bar look to appear in one single cell. For this, use the REPT function. Enter this formula, equals RET, open parenthesis, quote, solid block character, quote, comma, B2 divided by 5, close parenthesis, ampersand, REPT, open parenthesis, quote, light shaded blocked character, quote, comma, C2 divided by 5, close parenthesis. This formula repeats one character for the completed amount and another character for the remaining amount, combining them into a text-based stacked bar inside one cell. For example, the output might look like a row of solid blocks, followed by shaded blocks, clearly showing the proportion of completed work versus what's left. If needed, you can adjust the division value, such as 5, to make the bar longer or shorter depending on your scale. Smaller devices create longer bars, while larger devices make them more compact. That's it, a practical way to build in-cell stacked bar charts in Excel using tools you already have.